How to check if iPhone is jailbroken. To get started, first of all go ahead and swipe down on your screen to open the search bar. In the search bar, type in Cydia. Cydia is an alternative, third-party digital distribution platform that allows users to find and install software and customization tweaks that are not available on Apple's official App Store. As you can see, you do not have Cydia downloaded on your phone. Now, go back and open up the Settings app on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. Scroll down and go to VPN and Device Management. Then, tap on VPN. You can view and manage your VPN settings from here. Select the VPN you want to delete and then tap on Delete VPN. Tap on Delete again to confirm. After that, go back and scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now, tap on Reset below. From the options, select Reset All Settings. This will factory reset your phone and delete all your phone settings such as your network settings, keyboard dictionary, handwriting style and more. Enter your passcode to continue. Following these steps, you can easily check if iPhone is jailbroken.